What's up, everybody? So, man, it's a chilly day, but Mountain Mike just dropped me back off at the route. We're right above Woods Hole Hostel, and I got a lot of stuff to tell, but we'll do that later this evening. It's 12 o'clock now. We're right to push 34 miles to a campsite that's not on these ridge lines. Yeah, got my GoPro now, so we should be able to record a lot more and a lot better. So yeah, anyways, huge thanks to everybody at Angel's Rest. Had an amazing time there, and like I said, I'll explain everything here in a little while. But right now, we're going to get to moving, and I hope you all have a great day. What's up, everybody? So, like I was saying before, I got a lot of stuff to tell, and I didn't get the video much yesterday because it was only 22 degrees and 30-40 mile per hour wind. It was just, my phone wouldn't hardly work, my GoPro wasn't working, I just couldn't video a lot. And I only ended up doing like 14, 15 miles. It was just so daggone cold on the bike going downhill. And it was supposed to be crazy wind and everything the next day too. So at the end of the day, I just got Mountain Mike to come get me. That way I could get out of that, because they was calling for like 40 plus mile per hour wind the next day. I came back here to Angel's Rest, took yesterday off, and we'll be heading back to trail here in a little bit, right around Brushy Mountain Outpost in Bland, Virginia. Now y'all may be wondering why there's a gap between here and there in the videos, and that's because basically I skipped 55 miles. When I was leaving Clifton Forge, I was on this road going up to a pass, and come to find out, I found out later, there's a rock quarry kind of on the top of that mountain. And when I left, I was 11 miles in, almost to the top of a 2,000 foot climb. And this dump truck, one of 100 that probably passed me, this dump truck didn't get over, and it would happen so quick, but basically something on that dump truck hit my handlebar, sent me into a sign, and I went rolling down the fucking hill. And like, I'll show y'all pictures of my prosthetics and everything. My prosthetics probably saved my trip, because I would probably, by the way my prosthetics look, I would have been beat up pretty bad. But thankfully I just got bruised here and there, and I was fine. So, yeah, that's why there's a gap in the videos. I basically got hit by a dump truck, and Mountain Mike come to Clifton Forge because I backtracked to there, and they brought me back here for Thanksgiving. But yeah, I had an awesome time here at Angel's Rest during Thanksgiving and a couple days after. But I'm going to leave the rest for the video to show. Here's a little clip of my Thanksgiving couple days. So, yeah. Thanks everybody for following along, and I'll see y'all. Again, buddy. See if we can get the Marion back in the morning. She had a long one. What's up, everybody? So, going about 22 miles so far, and yeah, planning on camping. If I'm crossing the AT where I think I am, there's an awesome campsite there, and according to this sign, we got 3 miles to the intersection of the AT, and we're gonna be on the crawfish trail for a good little while. So this is open to hiking, horseback, and bikes. So we'll see how it goes. But today has just been amazing. I've just been in pretty much, I haven't had a car pass me all day. Went by a house, I had 2 dogs bark at me, but they never left the yard. Today has just been amazing. Perfect temperature. It's just been awesome. But yeah. Anyways, we got about 3 more miles or so to get to camp.